Hi everyone, my name is ManviGumber and I'm from Computer Programming and Analysis course. And today I'm going to show you the Comp2139 Labs in class assignment 2. So here you can see I have created a MVC project which is model view and controller where the model means manages where model manages and manages all the behaviors and the data, and the view is the one which manages the display of the data, how the data is going to be visible to the user, and the controller is the one which handles the page, like the events and the navigation system for all the usable website which we're going to see. So here is all my project. First of all, what I have did is, when from the last time I have downloaded some of the packages over here, which you can see over here, like that is NuGet packages. It is in the dependencies, and I have created all the packages like it is free. So here I have not used the SQL, I have used the Postgres. So for the Postgres, I have to download all uh, the the NuGet packages which are related to that only, which is PostgreSQL, and I have created my database in the PostgreSQL, which is Project Management DB. And you can see over here all the three packages which are required, the entity framework. Um, these all are here. After this, you can see over here the controller, which I have told you, which controls all the navigations and events inside the website. So for here, I have created basically the project home controller, the project controller, and the task controller for each of the sites. Basically, in the view page, you can see that I have created three folders, which is home, project, so and the task. So these are the three for which I have created the controllers over there. So first of all, what happens over here in this whole website thing, in this controller, you can see I have created the home controller where you can see all the code over here, where all the things which are present in the home page will be when you click something on the home page on the view button, then that is gonna call this thing. For example, if you click index on the view button, on the view, like if you go on the user website and you go and click, you go on the home button and you click the index over there and the systems over there, you're gonna return this thing. So you're gonna see all these things. After this, you're having project where you can see all the details about the projects, like how the project ID is added and how the project name, the descriptions and details of the project will be visible to you. Similarly about the task also. In the data, we have our application with DB context where all the details are present. After this, we have our migration folder, and then we have our models in which we have our project CS and project task.cs. There we have C sharp language, we have getters and setters for the C sharp language. After this, we have home folder in the view where we can see about its CSS HTML, which has our personal details like my name, which is Manvi Gumber, my student number, and my course code, which is 2139, and our professor name, Sergio. After that, I have index CSS HTML, which shows that it is my home page, form 2139. After this, we go on the project where we can see we can create the project, we can delete the project, we can have details and edit the project. After this, we have task. Similarly, we can create a task, delete the task, details, and all this stuff like this. Now let's play this. Now let's run this one and let's see how it works. So here you can see this is our website where you can see all the details. First of all, you can see over here that it says TBC Project Management. And here you can see comp2139 homepage, which is my homepage. And it shows my name, Manvi Gumber, my details about a Uni4 and things. And then you can see over here, this is my home icon, my about icon, my project icon. And here you can search about all your projects, like for example, project one, which I'll show you further. Then you can see the project and then you can see the search icon. Once you click the home icon, you're already on the home page. You can see the same thing again. And then you go on the about. then you can see all my personal details like my name and the system, which I showed you in the coding also. Now we are going to start with the project thing. And you have already seen in the project over here that we have all the details. So let's see further how the project is going to work. So once I click the project button over here, and then you can see all the details about the projects. And there is an option for delete, add, and see the information. So basically, what happened over here is that first of all, we have the user have asked about the details. Okay, that he or she wants to see the project. Then what happened is then further that details is the router is gonna ask that take that request of the reads that URL and send that information to controller that okay if that the user wants to see this information, he wants to get information and that controller will go onto the model. That model will see all the projects that it will create a list of all the projects which are present over there, and then it will go to the database to spread. There will be SQL statements where you can see that how all the database will be there, and then it's going to scratch all the information from that list, and then furtherly it will go again to the models in the again like models with the C# language over there, and then it go back to the controllers again, and then controllers will send this information to the view where this will be a list of all the projects in a HTML language, and then that HTML language is again sent back to the from view to the controller again, and that control will send all the information to the browser where the user can see all the projects and stuff like that. So that's it for now. Thank you very much. Bye bye.